My name is Anja Boisen. I'm a professor here at DTU Nanotech. I have an ERC advanced grant. We got the money almost 4 years ago now. And the project is on integrating nanosensors on a DVD disc. This is kind of unique. People haven't really been doing the combination before, and we think it's a lot of fun, and there are many possibilities, both within diagnostics, food safety applications, and more fundamental research in how you understand the behavior of drugs, for example. An ERC advanced grant is very hard to get. It's very prestigious in Europe. It's all well known all around Europe, maybe in the entire world. So just the brand itself makes you very visible. I think that we create impact just by the people we educate. But then also there is, giving something back to society. So we have been so fortunate to actually start one company based on the technologies you've seen. So in order to do that, we also applied for ERC proof of concept funding. And it's really exciting and pushing it out actually into something that might be a really big company hiring a lot of people, doing a lot for Denmark and for EU in the future.
I'm Petar Popovski, professor at Aalborg University. I do research in the area of wireless communications and communication theory, and I received the ERC Consolidator grant related to future wireless technologies. My main research is in the area of ultra-reliable and massive wireless communication for future connectivity of devices, robots, and Internet of Things. And in that sense, this project is related to the upcoming 5G wireless technology, but has a broader scope than that. The ERC grant means a lot both at the practical side, how do we do the research, how we employ people, how we build up the laboratory, and so on. But it also means a lot in a sense of being recognized in the scientific world. Scientific impact at the very fundamental level means when one comes with new theories which open new doors or new views on how something should be solved. It's also when you see that engineers, CTOs start to use your results and your vision in driving the vision for the company or for the standardization and so on.
My name is Ronnie Glud. I'm professor in biogeochemistry, working a lot with how carbon and nitrogen cycles on the planet and how that interrelates to climate and evolution of life in the oceans. And I work daily at the University of Southern Denmark at a department called Nordic Center for Earth Evolution. In broad context, we are trying to understand how the interrelation of life and chemistry of the oceans is evolving through geological timescales, but also as a consequence of climate changes and dynamics on the planet as such. The deep ocean, from 6 kilometers to 11 kilometers of water depths, are really completely unexplored territories. We don't know what's happening there from a biological perspective, from a chemical perspective, and even from a physical perspective. Receiving an ERC advanced grant is a great recognition of the work that the group and I have been doing before, but it also enables a development, expansion of our activities, and it's a great opportunity for addressing important questions on a longer timescale than normal funding allows. Of course, projects of the size of ERC advanced grants have a high impact on the research area as such, because it enables you to really focus on a targeted area instead of jumping around between a lot of small projects. So many of the ERC advanced grant projects have a high impact within their research area.